Mega road show in Patna. Let me straight away show you the visuals around. You can see the massive amount of people who have gathered on the streets of Patna, and the road show has considered the highlights of the visit. Will start from the Dinkar Golambar and move to the Nala Road, Thakurwadi and Bakarganj, and a massive amount of people. I'll request my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. You can see on your screen that how thousands of people are just my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. You can see on your screen that how thousands of people are.
तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी बड़ी संख्या में लोग यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं और पुष्प वर्षा के जरिए यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री का भव्य स्वागत किया जा रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी भी कितनी बड़ी लोगों का अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। ये क्षण बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का जो कनेक्शन लोगों के साथ रहा है उसी की झलक यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रही है। और यही सब कुछ है कि जब लोग एकत्रित होते हैं तो प्रधानमंत्री की एक छवि पाने के लिए पहले से व्याकुल नजर आते हैं और ये तस्वीरें साफ तौर पर इसकी जानकारी पेश करती हैं।
Is a road show is underway, a mega road show in Bihar's capital. A Modi wave show is underway, a mega road show in Bihar's capital. of Patna, visuals on your screens or of the grand welcome that the people of Patna are giving Prime Minister Modi's roadshow. We have my colleague Sabyasachi now joining us on the phone line. Sabyasachi, talk to us. It's a mega roadshow. Days to go for polling in the two-phased election of Bihar, and this roadshow, the kind of reception that it has been given by the people of Patna, will end up having a lot to say when it comes to the final outcome of the elections. Sabyasachi, if you can hear us.
It's a massive road show. It's a grand road show of Prime Minister. It's a grand road show of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Patna, and thousands of people have gathered on the streets of Patna to get a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, it's a series of campaign and road show that has been held by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the NDA leaders in Bihar. First, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Ara. The second, he was in Nawada. And third is the grand road show on the streets of Patna. Now, it's a 3-kilometer long road show by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and is expected to join with the other leaders of the NDA as well. And massive crowd. What is important to note is that massive crowd has emerged on the streets of Patna to get a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, this very point Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been highlighting in every single campaign, in every single of his public address, that the support of the people of Bihar is with the NDA, and that could be seen on ground, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been highlighting that point. In fact, time and again, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been also talking about the Jungle Raj in Patna. He has been launching a series of attacks on the Congress party, on the RJD, stating that these two political parties only focus on their own parivar, and that is the agenda of the Congress and the RJD. And after the poll is over, they are once again going to fight against each other. Now, in today's public address as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi very strongly highlighted that it's going to be the NDA government which is once again going to come in power in the state of Bihar, and massive support, massive crowd have emerged on the streets of Patna to get a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The city has been completely decked up for this grand road show. There has been numerous amount of restrictions which has been imposed by the local administration to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained during this address, during this roadshow of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now the NDA has been backing on the manifesto that it has released. In fact, the NDA time and again have stated that the NDA's manifesto banks on the growth, on the infrastructure, the entrepreneurship to drive Bihar's development. In fact, both the BJP-led NDA alliance as well as the India bloc have made tall promises in their 2025 election manifesto. In fact, if you talk about the NDA government, the NDA clearly have focused on the economically backward classes and women-related schemes. With the NDA have released around several resolutions as far as the manifesto is concerned, and the NDA has promised around 1 crore government jobs and have aimed to transform Bihar into a global skilling hub with mega skill centers in every district. And the NDA also plans to create around 10 lakh entrepreneurs.
Sabyasachi Roy there joining us with that live update on Prime Minister Modi's mega road show in Patna.